West Bengal, where past and present blend. Kolkata, city of joy, where stories never end. Rabindra Sangeet fills the air. Tagore's spirit lingers everywhere. In the heart of Kolkata, where history and progress meet, lies Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, a gateway that connects dreams, cultures and nations. From its modest start as Dum Dum Airport in the 1920s to becoming a beacon of modern aviation, this airport has grown with the city, has always been at the heart of India's journey, evident in its rise and its story. In 1924, Dum Dum Airport took its first flight as a small airstrip, humble yet full of promise. The Bengal Flying Club was inaugurated in 1929, marking the beginning of civil aviation in Bengal. The Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, mesmerized by aviation, took his first flight here in 1932, referring to it as Mechanical Pegasus. The airport's runway witnessed another history in 1937 with the visit of aviation pioneer Amelia Earhart. As India gained independence in 1947, the airport spread its wings, bridging Kolkata to the world. In 1964, Kolkata Airport became the launchpad for India's first jet service. And in 1975, it became the first Indian airport to have a dedicated cargo terminal, cementing its role in logistics and trade. In 1995, a new chapter began as it was renamed in honor of the great Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, whose spirit of freedom and progress continues to inspire.
কলকাতা বিমানবন্দরের শতবর্ষের গৌরবময় শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। It is a proud and historic moment as we celebrate 100 glorious years of Kolkata Airport. It is the most thriving center of aviation in the East. Kolkata Airport also greatly exemplifies Vikas Bhi, Virasat Bhi, offering world-class connectivity while celebrating Bengal's rich heritage through its architecture and artwork. I invite all to join us in celebrating the Kolkata Airport's centenary and honoring its remarkable legacy. Together, let's build on this heritage and elevate the airport to even greater heights with greater connectivity, innovation, and excellence.
In 2013, a new era began with the dedication of the modern integrated terminal, a symbol of Kolkata's leap into the future. This milestone redefined what an airport could be, a fusion of tradition, innovation, and global vision, while solidifying its position as gateway to the East and Northeast India.
कोलकाता शहर को एक प्राचीन और ऐतिहासिक शहर के नाम से हम सब पहचानते हैं। एक ऐसी पहचान हमारे कोलकाता की है। इस हवाई अड्डे की संरचना और सुविधाएं यात्रियों को अनुभव बेहतर बनाती है और ये पर्यावरण के प्रति संवेदनशीलता को भी ध्यान में रखकर डिज़ाइन किया गया है। तो 100 साल पूरे हो गए, हम एक आनंद महसूस कर रहे हैं।
Indian aviation has witnessed remarkable growth in the past decade, and India is poised to become the third largest civil aviation market, piloted by various government initiatives. The domestic passenger traffic more than doubled from 67 million to 153 million, and airports increased from 74 to 158. The new terminals, focusing on modern infrastructure, global connectivity and sustainable practices, are shaping a future that is as eco-friendly as it is forward-thinking, ensuring Kolkata Airport remains a cornerstone of India's global aviation presence. Kolkata Airport is built as a modern glass and steel terminal spanning 230,000 square meters, blending Bengal's rich heritage with cutting-edge design.
I am happy to note that Calcutta Airport is now becoming part of the vibrant growth of the aviation sector in India, where we are seeing that the number of passengers are doubling in the last 10 years. It is my wish and my hope that Calcutta Airport will remain one of the key players for the civil aviation in India.
Over the past decade, Kolkata Airport has experienced exponential growth in passenger traffic as well as aircraft movement. With an annual capacity to handle 26 million passengers, The airport caters to around 49 domestic and 15 international destinations, boosting trade, tourism, and opportunities. The daily aircraft movement has increased from 264 in 2014 to 400 in 2024, while the daily passenger traffic has doubled up from 2014. The airport has one of India's largest airport solar power plant, generating 17 megawatt of clean energy and thereby significantly reducing carbon emissions and energy cost.
कलकत्ता का जो एयरपोर्ट है वो एक अपने आप में महत्वपूर्ण स्थान रखता है। ये अत्यंत हर्ष का विषय है कि इस वर्ष यह अपने 100 स्वर्णिम काल पूरे कर रहा है, उसको हम इस वर्ष सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं।
The airport also drives economic growth by boosting tourism to iconic destinations like Sundarbans and Darjeeling, while supporting businesses through robust air freight services, including a state-of-the-art cargo terminal that connects eastern India into the world. Kolkata Airport is more than just a hub. It's an artistic journey in itself. From sculptures that echo the spirit of Rabindranath Tagore to vibrant displays honoring Durga Puja, every corner of the airport is infused with Kolkata's cultural soul, offering every traveler a taste of the city's rich legacy. The future of Kolkata Airport is just as promising as its past, with exciting plans for a new terminal and a commitment to sustainability. The airport is poised to remain at the forefront of India's aviation revolution, connecting continents, cultures, and generations for years to come. As Kolkata Airport celebrates 100 years of its service to the nation, it stands as a monument to the city's spirit of resilience, innovation, and pride. From its humble origins at Dum to its place among the world's great aviation hubs, it has been a bridge between people, cultures, and nations. Here's to the next century of growth, opportunity, and connection.